We are witnessing the return of Gali politics. No one is being spared from the harsh rhetoric, including the Prime Minister and his late mother, the RSS chief and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Mohammad Rizvi, a local Congress supporter, has been arrested for using offensive derogatory language against the Prime Minister in Darbhanga and has now been placed in judicial custody. The BJP is up in arms after Amit Shah's terse message to Rahul Gandhi to apologize. The BJP is slated to protest outside the Congress headquarters in New Delhi this afternoon. Let's get in a word from Isha now. Isha, the BJP now is not going to let this opportunity go. We have seen the kind of protests that were happening outside the Congress office in Bihar. Now the same fight is now being taken up to the national capital as well.
Right, Amita. So in Bihar, we saw that BJP and Congress workers clashed in the voter Adhikar Yatra. That was in Bihar, where Rahul Gandhi was also present, and there was a lot of panic. There was a lot of clashes between the two political groups. And now BJP leaders will be protesting in the national capital. In fact, senior leaders of the BJP are expected to join, and this will start in the afternoon around 2 p.m. However, when we speak of the Congress and the India bloc, they have made consecutive remarks against the Prime Minister and even her dead mother, his dead mother, where they have made derogatory statements. They have made comments which are disrespectful, derogatory in nature. In fact, Sambit Patra of the BJP held a press conference a few days ago where he spoke about the several other instances where Congress and other India bloc leaders have chosen to choose poor language to depict the Prime Minister and other BJP leaders. In fact, he also had an important point to make, that Rahul Gandhi is referring to the Prime Minister's too. And in fact, he's also in the parliament made several points and several statements, and one of them did include that the country will beat the Prime Minister with sticks, to which the Prime Minister had responded in a proper fashion and had not responded in the way that Rahul Gandhi had made these statements. But now today, the BJP will be holding a massive protest. Several senior leaders of the BJP to join in. They will attempt to.
The political narrative that we have seen right when elections are near, we have seen that it stoops to such a level that even honorifics are dropped by political leaders. However, as Isha continues to be with us, we also talk about another MP here. This is coming in from the TMC, Mahua Moitra, who suggested that Amit Shah's head should be chopped off and now seems to be now staring at legal trouble. A complaint that has been submitted with the Barakpur police seeking FIR against her, and amid the outrage, she is posted on X stating that it is the modus operandi of the BJP's troll cell to select a single issue and to amplify it. She claims that the latest theme is the metaphor of with the HM's head. However, the Congress and its allies are defined, where the Congress is now accusing the BJP of orchestrating a conspiracy to defame the Congress and then playing the victim card.
भाई किसने की टिप्पणी? इन्हीं के एजेंट घूमते रहते हैं, करते रहते हैं बदमाशी, और फिर यही मुद्दा बनाते हैं ताकि यात्रा से ध्यान हटा सके। ये बौखलाए हुए हैं हमारी इस यात्रा से।
अजय राय जी ने जो बात बोली है, दैट्स नॉट अनपार्लियामेंट्री, क्योंकि अगर आप हमारी अवधी भाषा को या किसी ऐसी लोकल डायलेक्ट को अनपार्लियामेंट्री कहने तो बहुत बड़ी शर्मनाक बात है। तो सीधी सी बात है, आरएसएस शादी ब्याह नहीं करते हैं।
वो ये जो है, वो जो वर्ड जो है, जो वो मीन सिंबॉलिक वैसे जो मीन करना चाहते थे, वो ठीक से नहीं हुआ। लेकिन उसका कोई इरादा अमित शाह जी को कोई फिजिकली अटैक करने का, हिट करने का वो नहीं था।
How the BJP is now criticizing the opposition bloc, claiming that the so-called Mohabbat ki Dukaan is a hub of nafrat, of threats and of abuses. It suggested that the opposition bloc should rather be renamed as Intruder Bachao Alliance.
कभी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की स्वर्गीय माताजी को अभद्र गाली देना कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता ने दी। राहुल गांधी के डायरेक्ट कॉल पर अजय राय जी ने जिस प्रकार से आरएसएस के करोड़ों स्वयंसेवकों को मां बहनों की जिस प्रकार की गाली दी, तृणमूल कांग्रेस तो आईसिस की जुबान बोलते हुए रोहिंग्या और अवैध घुसपैठियों के चक्कर में देश के यशस्वी गृह मंत्री का सिर काट कर लाने की बात कर रहे हैं। ये कोई मोहब्बत की दुकान नहीं, बल्कि ये नफरती सामान के धमकी भरे भाईजान हैं।
Now, speaking of controversies, let's move on and talk about, as the Jamiat Ulema Hind chief Arshad Madni has revealed